Good morning, Math Literacy. This is Mr. Haig, and some people are working a little bit ahead in the packet and have asked for some clarification on the rabbit ears problem. So I'm looking at page 36 here in the packet. So I'd like to start with problem number 2. Now, problem number 2 is just an addition problem. And so where I'm going to start here is these numbers vertically in the boxes just add together to get this bottom number. Okay, the same thing is going to happen here. These two are going to add together to get this bottom number. So 3 plus 7, I'm just going to add these. They're already kind of lined up. 3 plus 7 is 10. I'm just going to go 0, carry the 1. And 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 1 more is 15. So I get 150 here. Okay, same thing here. 5 plus 9 is 14. 4, carry the 1. And 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. 64. Okay, the same thing happens with these two numbers. These two numbers are going to add together to get this number over here. So what I'm going to do is maybe just take this 83 plus 45 and just put it off to the side of my paper. 83 plus 45 in vertical form. And that, add them together, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. That means 128 goes here. Okay, same thing with the 67 plus 19. 9 plus 7 is 16. 6 plus 1 plus 1 is 8. This is an 86. Okay, so now when we get to this part of the problem, we're going to add 150 plus 64. 4 plus 0. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and get 214. That number down here should be the same as what we get when we add 128 plus 86. 8 plus 6 is 4, carry the 1. 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 11. And it works. We do get 214 there as well. So these numbers add to 214. These numbers add to 214. Okay. Now the next part of this problem I think is kind of neat because with the rabbit ears, we get to add diagonally. So 83 plus 19 adds to give us this number up here. So we'll do that up here. 83 plus 19. 3 plus 9 is 12. 2 carry the 1. 8 and 1 and 1 is 10. That means this number is 102. Okay. The same thing is going to happen diagonally this way. 67 plus 45 is going to be this number right here. So we'll do that up here maybe. 67 plus 45. 5 plus 7 is 12. 6 and 4 and 1 is 11. We get 112. Now for the final rabbit ear, this top part up here, that's just the 102 plus the 112. 100 plus 100 is 200. 2 plus 12 is 14. We get 214, which I think that's kind of interesting that this bottom number was 214 and also this top number was 214. Okay. I want to look at just another one on this worksheet. Let's look down at number 8 because they just give us some different parts of information here. For number 8, we have some blanks to fill in. So if I look back up at number 2, I knew that that top number in the top box and the bottom number down here were the same. Well, we know that this is going to be a 171 already. We know that 28 plus something here is 41. So now this is a subtraction problem. This total 41 minus 28 is going to give us whatever this number here was. So I have to borrow. 11 minus 8 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So I know that 13 goes here. So 28 plus 13 is 41. So sometimes you have to use subtraction depending on what you're given. So I now have enough information to maybe fill in some of these top blanks here. Again, I know that these two numbers are going to add to 171. So I have a subtraction problem. 171 minus 41. 1 minus 1 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. 130 goes right here. And that makes sense. 130 plus 41 is 171. And we'll do the same thing with this, 108. I know that something plus 13 is 108. 108 minus 13. 8 minus 3 is 5. 10 minus 1 is 9. I know that is a 90. Whoops. 95. Okay. Now this new parts of information, every number we get on here allows us to do something else. So now we can fill this one in. Something plus 95 is 130. Again, we have another subtraction problem. I need maybe a scratch piece of paper. 130 minus 95. So again, I have to borrow from the 3, make it a 2. 10 minus 5 is 5. 12 minus 9 is 3. 35. Okay. From here on out, I suppose I could just use addition. I can add diagonally, and we're almost done here. So 8 plus 5 is 13, so 3 carry the 1. 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 6. I get 63. Now I could check my work here. If I were to add 63 plus 108, I do get 171. So I know, that's kind of how I know that I'm doing things correctly. Okay. And then we'll go this way. This diagonal gives us this number. 35 plus 13 is, 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. We have 48 there. And then we'll add this final diagonal, 28 plus 95. And maybe I'll just do that up here. 95 plus 28. 8 plus 5 is 13. 9 plus 1 plus 2 is 12, 123. And then maybe I'll just go ahead and spend a quick moment to check my work. Is 48 plus 123. I sure hope that adds to 171. We'll do 123 plus 48. 8 plus 3 is 11. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. Yes, 171. So that's kind of how I know that I've done things correctly. Okay, folks, I hope this helps. I hope everyone's doing well. Have a great day. Bye.